You can be the greatest professional chef, but when a warm chocolate chip cookie is presented to you, you melt. It is as simple as that. These easy instructions and clever baking tips will help you succeed each and every time you make our chocolate chip cookie recipe. To begin, scale all of the ingredients precisely and then bring to room temperature. First, sift the flour, baking soda, and cinnamon powder together on parchment paper and set aside. Mix together the butter and salt in a stand mixer bowl on low speed for about 10 seconds using the paddle attachment. Then add the vanilla and mix for 10 seconds or until combined. Next, add the lemon juice and the sugars and mix until the ingredients are incorporated. Then scrape the sides of the bowl with the paddle. Gradually add the eggs and mix until all of the ingredients are emulsified and it is a creamy consistency. Finally, add the dry ingredients, the dark chocolate chips, oats, and the chopped walnuts and mix together. Transfer the dough to a mixing bowl to scoop the cookies easily. Scoop 6 cookies per baking tray and place them about 2 inches from one another. Now place parchment paper and then a baking tray on top of the cookies. Gently press down evenly with your hands. This will allow for the same thickness for all of the cookies and help them bake evenly. Remove the tray and the parchment paper. Bake the cookies for about 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the cookies from the oven and place them on a cooling rack. Enjoy the delicious flavors of dark chocolate and walnuts in this classic American cookie.